Does the thing require fuel? It does. That's why you see me collecting the coal blocks, because I can use coal blocks as fuel. So that's why every time I see coal blocks, I'm like, I'm getting it. I'm taking it. So I can literally wait for you to crash at some point when you forget. I will never forget. I won't forget. I won't forget. No. I love the faith you guys have in me.
A few moments later.
These are all the same buildings. And I'm like going back and forth with my bullet automation thing because I'm like, do I really? What is that? What is this? That is a big building. That is one big building. Y'all can go f yourself. Y'all can go f yourself. Go fuck yourself. Who said it? Who the said it that I was gonna crash at some point? Vito! I blame you! I blame you! Damn it! Okay. Whoop. Where is it? Oh, dude. Apparently. Aha! I'm good. What happened? Why is everything... Oh, that's why I was in the dark. I was in the dark. I was in the dark. I've never seen that where it just completely kaboosh. I killed my helicopter, but I'm still good. So, bro, how did I fuck up that bad?